Hi everyone, this is a quick demo of WalkSmart.AI, a walking tour generator. So as you can see, we're here in the Santa Catarina viewpoint in Lisbon, which is, for example, something that we can use as a starting point. You don't need to be so specific. You could just enter a city, for example. The customize field is optional and you can enter anything that you like, that you want added to your tour. For this example, we're just gonna say that we want the tour to have 4 hours and I want to end in the Graça area. Let's say, for example, you're staying there and you want your tour to end around there. So right here, the backend is doing its thing. I built a simple rag combining OpenAI and Google Maps API to validate the tour and also fetch additional information for each stop. This is what it takes around 30 to 40 seconds, but I'm still optimizing this part, so probably it will be faster in the future. The nice thing here is that you can literally customize it to anything you want. So for example, if you want to work while you're exploring, if you want to stop for lunch, anything, you can do that. So as you can see, it generated a tour, 4 hours, 8 places, 4 kilometers. The starting point is exactly where we are right now. You get additional information for each stop. So I'm not gonna go through it all, but just to take a quick look. Another viewpoint, and yes, you can see here we're already walking towards Graça. This is in Graça, actually. So yeah, this worked perfectly. So the last stop is in Graça. And the coolest part about WalkSmart is that you can hit this big button and it opens the entire route in Google Maps with every stop already added to it. So you can just start your tour and start walking. I hope you like it. Please experiment on WalkSmart.AI and let me know any feedback and questions that you might have. Thank you.